Price comparisons for your new life in Colombia. Let's start with the big things. I have a fairly large, comfortable apartment, 3-bedroom apartment. The rent I pay is about $440 a month. My apartment in New York City would easily be $1,500 a month. Okay. My apartment in, let's take a smaller town, Lancaster, Pennsylvania, would be $750 a month. Price comparisons. My electricity bill, well, in Colombia, mostly the bills are going to be, your utility bills are going to be collected. So I pay gas, electric, and water, and I pay about the equivalent of $80 a month. And actually mine is a little high. So imagine yours will be $60 a month, the equivalent of that. My phone bill is about $30 a month. My doctor's appointment. I had a doctor's appointment, and the doctor's visit was $12. Some tests I needed to get were $16. Psychotherapy. Now, if you happen to need psychotherapy, you can get it here. About $40 an hour. Let me repeat that. Psychotherapy, about $40 an hour. Social aspects, dance lessons. Private dance lessons will be about $10 to $12. So that means a 1-hour class with you and the instructor, $10 to $12. A group class, about $3. What else can we compare? What else do you have to buy? Food. I eat lunch for $3. $2.72. Lunch every day. Sometimes I don't even bother cooking because it's just as economical to go to the restaurant that's about a block away from where I live and have lunch there. In general, though, your grocery bill will be cut by about 2/3. About 2/3. Groceries, meat, fruits, all of that is a lot cheaper. The one thing that might be about the same price is coffee. Coffee and electronics. So be careful with things you're going to buy. Big ticket items may be about the same cost, but your everyday things, transportation for example, in Medellin, the bus fare is the equivalent of 72 cents. That's the bus, that's the metro. It goes up by about 3 cents every year. So maybe by the time you get down here, it'll be 75 cents. But you know, don't wait for it to be $1, okay? Get down here. Bus fare, food, utilities, clothing. Clothing is just as inexpensive. Well, this shirt is a custom shirt, so let's not talk about, you know, this shirt. This is a custom. But everyday clothing, jeans, $12, shoes, $20, and I mean quality shoes. What happens is in Medellin, there are lots of companies that make clothes for sale in the United States, and then they sell them here as well. Brand named jeans. So for example, you can get brand X jeans down here for $6, and they're the same jeans that later will have a label sewn on them to be sold in the United States for $60. I mean, that's the kind of differences you're going to find down here in terms of cost and the quality. So quality is the same and the cost is less. Perfect.